reliable partner here, Roger Martinez, that's going to take over till I get back. And I gave him a heads up of what's going on, what's going to follow afterwards.
Very good, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to
morning.
Concord 5, today, September 29th, one more day in September of 2022. Let's go to call the attorneys that are present. We'll get them working and then I'll call the rest of the docket. Please mute yourselves until I call upon you so that you don't interfere with the call of the docket. Simon Rawls.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm here on Miss Brenda Valdez, that's
Case number.
692-011.
Say again.
692-011. Miss Valdez is present on Zoom.
52.
692-011, Judge.
69.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Page 8, Judge.
Linda, you want to make me co-host, please?
Yeah, where are you? Give me a second.
692011.
Yes,
Brenda
Judge.
Valdez. Good morning, Ms. Valdez. Simon, what are you going to do on this?
I don't think we have we're still working on blood work, so I need to get a reset on this one, Judge.
Let's give you a 45-day reset. This has no file also, so.
Okay.
End of 45 days. What else?
Okay.
You got
Judge,
more
I have
work.
2 other issues I would like to approach you on later on. What time can I do that on?
All right, no problem.
Judge, can I
Elizabeth,
approach you on 2 other cases, not on the docket later on?
Well, I thought you did. Now, give me the other numbers.
Okay. Well, let me pull them up.
Judge, they're not on the docket. He wants to approach you after docket.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Here you-
can I do that a little later on?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. May
Elizabeth?
we be excused for now?
Sure, you can. Elizabeth Settle.
Thank you.
Good morning, Judge. I have 2 clients this morning. First one is India Fry, cause number 663580.
663.
580.
Page 3. Lauren, yeah,
All right.
I forgot.
663-580. That is a no file also, Ms. Settle. Why don't we
Oh, okay.
We'll reset you 45 days.
All right.
November 3rd.
Okay, thank you.
Next case, Ms. Settle.
And may Ms. Fry be excused, Judge?
Well, you have a second case, I thought you said.
I do. It's James Perez. He's got 3 cases. The first one is 691979.
Page 8, Judge.
Okay.
And I believe he's in jail, Judge.
My docket doesn't say that. He does have a felony pending.
Okay, I didn't know about that.
He's got four misdemeanors and felony. Felonies out of the 186.
Okay, I'll look into that, Judge. So I guess we just need to get a reset on that and
Why don't we give you the same 45 days as see if things settle down a little bit.
okay.
And yes,
Is,
he is in custody on the last case.
He is in jail?
Yes, sir, he is.
All right, so that means he is present involuntarily. All right, anything else, Ms. Settle?
Nothing further, Judge. Is that going to be the also November 3rd?
Yes, ma'am. 11-3.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're excused. Armando Ramon.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Page 7, Adrian Bocanegra, case number 689880, and he is on Zoom.
All right. And Mr. Roman, what are you going to do?
I'd like to confer with the state, Your Honor.
You are number 1 to confer this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Ashley Morgan. You're muted right now. Ms. Ashley Morgan, you were muted.
Hi, Judge.
Good morning.
I've got Catherine Horner today. It's cause number 690075.
Okay. And is Ms. Horner present?
I'm looking for her right now. Catherine, are you present?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay.
Thank you
Judge,
both
I'm
for
asking
making
that
time.
I'm gonna ask that she be excused and then I can confer with the state. I'm doing the agreed breath test discovery today.
Ms. Horner, would you, you are excused at the request of your attorney. She'll be doing some work for you. And stay in communication with Ms. Morgan.
Thank you,
Okay.
Judge.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
And may I
Anything
have a
else, Ms. Morgan?
reset date on her for about 60 or about 30 to 45 days so I can get that breath test order signed?
All right, let's give you the same 45 I've been giving everybody.
November 3rd.
Thank you.
You're welcome. David Cuellar,
Yes, sir. Good morning.
good morning.
I have Oscar Velasquez. He's I think his second name on the docket. He is waiting for sentencing in a felony case, and I think that sentencing should take care of this case. He had
When
a
is the
setting.
sentencing scheduled?
He had a sentencing. It was set for yesterday, but now it's set for December.
For what?
December.
This thing's been reset 20 times, Mr. Cuellar.
I know.
You better get a hold of the felony people and find out what's going on. I'm gonna reset it 30 days.
Yes, sir.
All righty?
Yes, sir.
If
Thank
they
you.
can give you some assurance or give me some assurance that they're gonna do something in December, I'll reset it for December. But right now, you reset 30 days.
Yes, sir.
This, October 27th.
You
Okay.
got anything else, David?
Thank you, Linda. No, no, sir. I don't have anything else.
All right, Albert Van Cleve.
Yes, Your Honor, I have Felicity Fernandez, and it's 683250.
That's on page 683-250. Felicity Fernandez. Are you present, ma'am? Felicity Fernandez. Felicity Fernandez, third time absent, failure to appear at this time.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
You are excused, sir.
Thank you.
Matthew Brown.
Morning, Your Honor. I have Destiny Juarez, page 7.
You guys sure make it easy for me when you give me a page number. The case number was certainly necessary, but you make it easier. All right, what you got? It's the case number what?
Case number, sorry, is
688780.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. Juarez, are you present? Destiny Juarez, are you present? Third time Destiny Juarez is a failure to appear. Make sure she reports within a week, otherwise she'll have a warrant.
will do, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, you are.
Thank you.
All right, in the courtroom.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Adam Combs. I've got Bronze Grant. He's in the courtroom in the back, and so he is present. I've got 3 cases on Mr. Grant, 661215,
Page 3, Judge.
and I believe it's 216 and 217.
Always get a kick out of his name. It's very unusual. Bronze Grant. Been reset 13 times, Adam. What are we gonna do with that?
It has been, Judge. We are working on the PTD application.
Right.
And so we've got that in the works. But Mr. Grant and I want to discuss the case one more time at my office this morning. And so I was going to be asking for just a short reset so that we can understand PTD.
All right, 2 weeks to find out the status, and we'll determine what you're gonna do at that point, right?
Please, Your Honor, thank you. And then Linda, do I get that date from you now?
I can give it,
Okay.
I'll give it to you now, and I'll also send you an email, 1013.
Adam,
And-
take care.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir, you are excused.
Thank you.
Gary Hillier.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have two cases on the docket today. Hector Sanchez, page 4, it's 674355.
Say that again, the number?
674355.
I got you. Hector Sanchez, are you present?
He is present, Judge.
Very good.
And
This thing
secondly,
shows Jason Goss as attorney.
yeah, Judge, I don't know why they tag particular names. It's one, it's one of the firms. And the second one on page 5, Jason Smith, 679581. They're both present, Judge. Mr. Smith is, I believe, still a red file.
That's right. There's no, and this also says Jason Goss.
Yeah.
Are you guys working together or what?
Yes, Judge. He's client of the firms. I don't know why the clerks tag
Okay.
a specific attorney, but
No problem. All right, I show you both present. I'll show you client now. This one is a no file. There's also an unindicted felony. I'm gonna give you a 60-day reset.
thank you, Judge. And on the first one, Judge, Mr. Sanchez, we filed a blood discovery motion back in June. I just wanted to check on the status of that. I don't know if it's been signed or sent off yet, Your Honor.
Go ahead and check, and if you need any hearing or something, let me know.
Thank you, Judge. I'll get I'll send a copy of the motion to Ms. Linda for it to get signed.
All right, be sure you give the state notice.
Will do, Judge.
All right, David McLean.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've got two cases on your docket this morning. I've got an Albert Martinez, and that cause number is 682091. And then I've also got a Sylvia Thomas.
Let's do that one first. 682091.
Okay.
Albert Martinez, are you present?
Morning, Your Honor, I am.
Very good. What are you doing on that one, Mr. McLean?
Your Honor, I need to confer with the state. They were looking into what they're wanting to offer on this case, and we've been
Okay,
talking for some time on it.
I'm marking you to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Then the second case,
The second case is Sylvia Thomas. Same page, just below it. It's 682567. She's present. And I need to confer this is essentially our first setting on this case. And so I need to confer with the state and talk with them a little bit about this.
very good. You are listed as the second person to conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
Armando Roman, what are you doing back already?
I've already conferred, Your Honor. I received a plea offer, and I'd like a few days to
2 weeks
discuss
enough?
it with my client. I'm
2
sorry?
weeks enough? I say 2
I
weeks
was
enough.
I was thinking October 3rd, Your Honor. I have to be in your court October 3rd. We'll have an answer by then.
Okay, give me that case number again.
689880. Adrian Bocanegra on page 7.
Right. Okay, reset to 10-3, Linda.
Okay, Judge. Is this gonna be for a plea, Mr. Roman?
We'll let you know that day.
Okay,
I'm going to talk to my client about it.
okay, that's fine.
All right. Make a note, Linda, that'll be for disposition, one way or the other.
Okay,
It'll either be a plea or we'll set it for trial.
okay.
All right. Ronald Ortman.
Morning, Judge. I'm here as an appearance attorney for attorney Jesus Romero Lopez, and the client is Enrique Salazar, and that case number is 640631.
Okay, first page, 640631. Enrique Salazar, are you present?
He should be present in the courtroom. He said he would be.
I love it.
Yes, I believe that's him standing, Judge.
All right, in the courtroom then. And it's let's see, you're substituting for Jesus Lopez?
Jesus Lopez, yes, exactly. Just for today.
Okay, Mr. Ortman, and are you going to do anything on this?
Well, I was told it was a pretrial diversion status hearing, Judge. I'm not sure that there's really is much to do on it.
All right,
except I can.
it is listed as a pretrial diversion, but I don't know, what that means as far as our docket. We'll go ahead and recall it in 30 days. Linda?
Okay, October 27th.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. I'll write that down and pass it to Jesus. And may Mr. Salazar be excused then?
Yes, sir. You both
And-
are on this case. Did you have another one? I think you said?
No, that's it, Judge.
Very good. Then you're excused. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Jeannie Cupid, good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you today?
I am well, thank you. How about
I
you?
have Ms. Muniz. It is case number 687860.
Page 7687.
860.
That is Shukcha
Yes.
Muniz.
Yes, Your Honor. She is present. I need to meet with the state to follow up on the results of some discovery request.
Okay, it is also a no file still for whatever the reason.
Well,
So,
that is a problem. I have a little bit of a file, Judge, so I don't know that note is fully correct.
all right,
So
we're
I
gonna,
need to confer with the state.
I will list you as number 3 to confirm, Ms. Cupid. Do you have another case?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge
well,
Longoria, my apologies for being tardy today. I am going to attempt to make it through the docket today.
Okay. Anyway, Ms. Cupid, you may confirm, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Jose Rocha,
Wait a minute.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am still well from the ride in the elevator.
Your Honor, I'm here with Hector Velez Lopez, cause number 433-283.
433,
283. Yes, Your Honor.
Linda?
First one on the docket, Judge.
First one on the docket, Judge.
Mhm. Okay, so, Velez Lopez, Hector, are you present?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
to you. All right, Mr. Rocha, what are you gonna do this morning?
Your Honor, I am waiting for Mr. Delco to send me to just make sure that all of the details are worked out before we make a decision. But yeah, we're at.
Are you saying there's gonna be a plea, or are you still negotiating for a plea?
We're still negotiating, Your Honor.
All right. So then this appears to be an old case.
Yes, Your Honor, this case has been reset several times, but there's been problems with the file from the very beginning.
Okay. Then I'll let you confer with Mr. Delco and see which way you go on this.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll give you 30-day reset.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Drayshawn Moody, please remove your cap, sir. Mr. Drayshawn Moody, remove your cap for the courts. Thank you.
All right, let's see who's next. Woody Halstead.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm on Elijah Morris. It is 692000. I believe he is on page 8. I don't believe there's a court file. He's got a felony pending, so we were hoping to reset the case, get some labs back, and then figure out what we're doing.
Is Mr. Morris present?
I do not see him, Your Honor.
Well, with a no file, I'm not going to issue any warrant or orders. I will order a recall, since this also has a unindicted felony. We're going to reset you 60 days.
Okay.
December 1st.
See if it settles down by then. All right,
Yes.
Mr. Halstead, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Linda, what was that date again?
December 1st.
December 1st. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a great day.
All right, next attorney. Attorneys,
Judge, this is Albert Chides.
Albert Chides.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Allison Martinez on the docket today. I'd like to confer with one of the attorneys.
How about giving me a case number? Because I've got a whole bunch of cases.
Yes, sir. It's 661461.
You broke up a little on me. Say again.
661461.
Page 3, Judge.
661461. Allison Martinez Sauceda. Reset 10 times, Mr. Chides. You're going to have to do something on this.
Yeah, we'd like to confer. We had a felony pending, but that's been resolved.
Okay. Ms. Martinez Sauceda.
And she is on,
Martinez
Judge.
Sauceda, third time, failure to appear.
She's on, Judge.
Where is she? She's not responding.
She's under Allison Martinez.
Let me see her.
Okay, I'll take your word for it because I don't see her on my screen at this moment.
I saw her, Judge.
Okay, it's on the second page, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Allison Martinez, last time. There it is. I see it. Okay. You're going to confer on this?
Yes, Your Honor. Maybe we can work something out today.
Very good. You are scheduled to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorneys, let's see some hands. Let's see. Albert is conferring.
Stephen Nicholas, Judge.
Stephen Nicholas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, fine. How are you doing?
So far, I'm doing all right.
Good, good. On page 4 of the docket is Julian Navarro.
670-933.
933. Is Mr. Navarro present?
Yes, sir, he is.
Alrighty. He has a felony pending. It is
Yes.
indicted. How far along is it? Do you know?
It's set on October 14th. So if we could have a setting it sometime after that.
All right. Well, let's give you about 3 weeks, Linda.
October the 17th.
Let's see what the status is at that point.
Yep, that's fine, Judge. October 17th.
Yes, sir. All right.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Are you going to the luncheon?
May my client and I
You are excused, sir.
be excused. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, attorneys, see some hands.
Mr. Khan.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. And yourself, Judge?
What can I do for you? What you got?
Just here on Jose Solis. It's a DWI. We
Case
have
number.
not. Case number is 683802.
683.
86, Judge.
800.
683. Yeah,
Jose Solis.
683802, Judge.
Pardon me?
683802.
Right.
Jose Solis, it's a DWI. We don't have an offer yet.
All right. And is Mr. Solis present?
I spoke with him moments ago. He should be on Zoom.
I love it when they say should be. All right. He isn't responding at this point. Get him to check in, otherwise I'll have to issue a warrant for him.
Yes, sir. I'll do that immediately.
All right, next.
Did you
attorney.
want to confirm, Mr. Khan?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
You're listed to confer, sir. Next attorney, let's see some hands, see somebody showing up here. Attorneys. Is that it, Linda? I don't see any other.
I don't
attorneys.
see any other attorneys, Judge. I think
All
we're
right.
good with the
Then
attorneys.
I'm gonna go back and call the regular docket. For those that are present without an attorney or who hasn't had an attorney appear. 617-997, State versus Scott Shepherd. Attorney Angela Blake. Supposed to be a plea?
Yeah, but I'll reset it, Judge, because I know we're starting trial.
All righty.
Ms. Laura Vidal, there is no vaping on Zoom. Zoom is considered live courtroom, so please do not vape on Zoom.
624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez. Attorney Catherine Valenzuela. Have you heard from Kathy?
Yes, she will be late, Judge.
And what about Veronica?
I'm here.
Gutierrez?
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Gutierrez.
Good morning.
Okay, that's number one on the list. Linda, she got 23 resets.
Yes.
625589, State versus Hector Martinez Juarez. Yadira Villarreal is attorney.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Are you in contact with Yadira Villarreal?
She said she was gonna be present today, but she hasn't called me or nothing.
All right, she's Linda.
Yes, I haven't heard from her, Judge.
All right, I am marking her as search. Jeannie Cupid, what you got?
Yes, Judge, I conferred with Mr. Delco on Ms. Muniz. We are awaiting test results from Universal City. We're asking for a 60-day reset to receive those results.
Then you give me the case number.
687860.
Excuse me.
Ms. Munez is here, Judge.
687680. Did I get that number right?
687860, page 7.
There it is. And you have a no file, you need discovery, you want 60 days, you said.
Yes, Your Honor.
You got it.
And
Linda?
Judge, may I be placed in a breakout room with my client?
Yes, ma'am. Linda will make that happen.
And do we know the date yet, Linda, or will I get an email?
December 1st, and I will also send you an email.
Thank you, Linda. Appreciate it. Can I go in a breakout room with Ms. Muniz?
Yes, go ahead and go back to 4, and I'll put her in there with you.
Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
You
You
too.
too. Have a good weekend. It's coming up real quick.
Not fast enough, Judge.
Tell me about it. All right, let's see, back on the docket. 627040, State versus Angel Camacho Trejo, and the attorney is Alberto Rodriguez. Angel Camacho Trejo. Angel Camacho Trejo is a failure to appear. Mr. Rodriguez, have we heard from him?
No, sir.
No response on Mr. Rodriguez. 640797, State versus Richard Smith, attorney, no attorney. Richard Smith. Richard Smith, third time, failure to appear. Going on to page 2. 640953, State versus David Lara, no attorney. David Lara. David Lara. David Lara, third time, failure to appear. For those who don't know, failure to appear means there's going to wind up being an arrest warrant. 642617, State versus George Mock, attorney Robert Marr. I'm sure he has texted what's going on.
Yes, he did, Judge.
There is a George M. there.
Yeah. Hi, Judge. Good morning. I am present.
Your attorney is Robert Marr.
Yes, sir.
Actually, that's not your attorney. The attorney is Robert Marr the second. All right, Mr. Mock, we'll put you as present. Mr. Marr will account for himself shortly. He's very good about that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
643808, State versus Lluvia Coronado, no attorney. Lluvia Coronado. Lluvia Coronado, failure to appear at this time, no attorney. 643959, State versus Daniel Martinez, no attorney. Daniel Gallardo Martinez. Daniel Gallardo Martinez is a failure to appear. 649870, State versus Gabriel Calderon, attorney. Karen Corby.
Yes, here.
Good morning, Mr. Calderon.
How you doing?
Any word from Corby?
Yes, she was here. She had to step away, but she'll be back.
All right, stick around, Mr. Calderon.
Yes, sir.
654418, State versus Hector Torres, no attorney. Hector Torres. Hector Torres is a failure to appear. He has no attorney at this time. 654817, State versus Philip Alvarado. Attorney Dante Dominguez.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Is that Mr. Alvarado?
Yes, sir. This is Mr. Alvarado.
Good morning. Have you heard from Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, sir. He said he would be in later. He said he contacted the court.
All right. Linda.
That is correct.
All right. Stick around and wait for him. 655212, State versus Adriana Enriquez, listed as a fugitive with a warrant. Ms. Adriana Rodriguez. Adriana Rodriguez is a failure to appear. 655707, State versus Juan Ramon, attorney David Garcia.
Here.
Juan Ramon.
Here.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Any word from Garcia, Linda?
Yes, he will be late, Judge.
All right. Mr. Ramon, wait for your attorney. He is aware you're here. He's already told us you'll be here. 656344. Señor Román, ¿me entendió? Juan Ramon,
Yes, sir.
you understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I wanted to make sure. Thank you. 656344, State versus Mauricio Puente. Mauricio Puente. No attorney. Mauricio Puente is a failure to appear. 663460, State versus John Burwell, attorney Adrian Perez. Whoa. Adrian Perez, attorney. Linda,
Yes, he'll be late, Judge.
it took you long enough. What's going on?
I'm sorry.
John Burwell. John Burwell is a failure to appear.
No, sir. Your Honor, I'm here. I'm present.
Well, you're kind of slow in answering too.
Yeah, I was muted as it requested me to do so.
All righty. Stick around and wait for your attorney. 663 is already answered. 664578, State versus Eric Cortez, attorney. Trin Warner. Eric Cortez. Eric Cortez is a failure to appear. Trin Warner.
No response from her, Judge.
All righty. We're marking her accordingly. On to page 4. 665633, State versus Luis Galindo. No attorney. Luis Galindo. Luis Galindo is a failure to appear. 667175, State versus Brandon Brodbeck. No attorney. Brandon Brodbeck. Brodbeck, B-R-O, Brodbeck. Brandon Brodbeck is a failure to appear. However, it's the no file, so the court will take no action except to recall it in 30 days, Linda.
Okay, Judge.
671433, State versus Carl Francis. No attorney. Carl Francis. Carl Francis, failure to appear. 671-971, State versus Yvonne Pinzon. Attorney Brian O'Donnell.
Present, Your Honor, I'm in the court. I don't see him yet. My attorney.
Good morning, Ms. Pinzon.
Good morning.
Wait for Mr. O'Donnell. He's with the public defender. He usually is as good as showing up.
Yes, he will be late.
Okay, so he is already checked in.
Yes, sir, he has.
674-400, State versus Robert Fernandez, attorney, Melissa Christian.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Fernandez.
Good morning.
Have you heard from Ms. Christian?
No, but I did hear from David Garcia, so I'm sure he's gonna take care of this one too, so he's
All right.
running late.
Stick around, Mr. Fernandez.
Yes, sir.
674-440, State versus Cash Johnson, attorney Lee Cutter.
Morning, Judge. I'm present and my client's also.
Good morning, ma'am. And your client, you said, is here?
Yes, sir. He's here.
All right. And are you going to confer on this?
I'd like to. Yes, please.
I'll list you accordingly. On the page 5, folks. 674740, in jail. Julio Olivas Garcia, attorney, Sean Farmer.
I received a call from Mr. Farmer this morning and that case is reset, Judge.
Alrighty. 675124, State versus Draychon Moody, attorney, Jeffrey Mulliner. Draychon Moody. Good morning, Mr. Moody.
Good morning.
Are you in communication with Mr. Mulliner?
Yes, sir. I spoke to his assistant, and she said that he's in a personal court right now, and they will on Zoom right now.
So where are we, Linda? Have you heard from Mr. Mulliner?
Yes, he's gonna be late, Judge.
All right, he knows you're here, Mr. Moody. Stick around. 677452, State versus Natarain Sherman Antonai. And that is Sonny Middleton, attorney.
Miss Middleton came by this morning. It's gonna be reset PTD.
All righty, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
678548, in jail, State versus Antonio Jackson, attorney, Frank Sandoval Jr.
Mr. Sandoval did contact me this morning, reset felony pending.
You got 2 felonies pending.
Mhm.
All right. 679266, State versus Adela Guia, no attorney. Ms. Adela Guia? Ms. Adela Guia is a failure to appear. 679452, State versus Laurie Vidal, attorney, Brian O'Connell. Mr. O'Connell, we know is going to be late. Laurie Vidal, failure to appear.
No, she's on, Judge. She's muted.
Okay. Ms. Vidal, wait for Mr. O'Connell. 680229, State versus Raul Robles, no attorney. This is a no file. Raul Robles. Raul Robles is a failure to appear. On
It's
the
a no
page-
file, Judge. Do you want me to reset it 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Miss Linda, can you hear me?
Yes. Hi.
Okay. Albert Rodriguez.
Alberto Rodriguez.
Yes, Your Honor. I am in
morning.
Atascosa on Zoom.
You're going to confer on him or what? You're on page 1. And your client is not here, Mr. Rodriguez. Camacho Trejo.
I think he froze up.
You're breaking up on us, but if you can hear me, you have no client today. If you want to confer, Give me a thumbs up because I can't hear you.
Invite, so he was supposed to get on.
Okay, I hear you now.
Okay, but I'm in Jordan right now, so
Oh, okay. Well, so far your client's not here, so check with us later.
okay, you gonna do a BF on him?
I don't
Your
hear.
Honor?
All right, 681-537, State versus Therese Wright, no attorney. Therese Wright. Therese Wright. Failure to appear. She has no attorney. 681-539, State versus Barbara Rivas, attorney, Angela Blake. Linda,
Miss Blake will be late, Judge.
and then Barbara Rivas. Barbara Rivas is a failure to appear. 682-728, State versus Luis Sanchez, attorney, Tony Hernandez.
Mr. Hernandez came by the office this morning, Judge, and he's gonna set that one for trial.
Alrighty. So it shall be. On to page 7. 685-002, State versus Samantha Jackson, attorney, Angela Blake. She's still gonna be late. And Samantha Jackson. Samantha Jackson, failure to appear. 686-921, State versus Joseph Longoria. Attorney, Sean Sheffield. Any word?
Mr. Longoria, I see him on Zoom, sir. I've already asked him to remove the cap, but that is him under Samsung SM. He just removed it.
Alrighty. So Joseph Longoria is present. Sean Sheffield, attorney, Linda.
He will be late, Judge.
Thank you. I'm glad you were able to tell me. 688-767, State versus Odin Martinez. Attorney, Robert Moore. Odir, O-D-I-R, Odir Martinez. Failure to appear. 690-113, State versus Richard Ruiz, attorney, Joe Stenberg.
No response from Mr. Stenberg.
Richard Reese is in the courtroom, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Judge.
On to page 8. 691-024, State versus Jesse Trevino, attorney, Frank Sandoval Jr. What's his status, Sandoval?
I had heard from him this morning on 2 other cases. I don't think he knew about this one.
Did he
I
hear
will
about it? Has he checked in on either one?
He checked in on 2 others that on one other that was a jail case.
Jesse Trevino. Jesse Trevino, failure to appear. 691-074, State versus Ruben Medrano, attorney, Cecil Bain.
I'm sorry, sir. I had it on me. This is Jesse Trevino.
Buenos dias.
I'm sorry, sir.
All right, I'm marking you present. Stick around, wait for Mr. Sandoval.
Yes, sir.
691-074, State versus Ruben Medrano. Cecil
Present,
Bain.
Your Honor.
Pardon me?
Present.
Very good. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
Cecil
Judge.
Bain, were you, Cecil Bain checked in?
Yes.
Hello, this is Samantha Jackson, Your Honor. I am here. I was unable to.
All right, we'll call you back shortly.
Judge, I'm here.
Cecil Bain.
Yes, Your Honor. Present.
Good morning, Mr. Bain. What are you going to do this morning?
First of all, see if my client is present, and then
He
I'd
already
like to
answered.
confer.
Ruben Medrano is present. I'm showing you as conferring.
Very good. Thank you.
691976 State versus David Vanette.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning. Attorney
Mr. Priest
Andrew
will be
Priest.
late.
All right. He knows you're here, sir. Stick around.
Thank you.
692033 in jail. State versus Nikki Diaz. Attorney Thomas Beck.
Mr. Beck called me and that case is being reset, Judge, felony pending.
He's unindicted, so let's give him at least 45, 50 days.
Yes, sir.
On to page 9.
That's it.
There is nothing on page 9. That completes our
Sir,
doc.
this is Samantha Jackson. I am present, sir.
Okay.
I've been present.
Okay. Samantha Jackson, what's her case number?
685002.
Very good. Top of no longer failure to appear has checked in. And your attorney will be showing up, but she'll be late. All right. Anybody else that thought their name should have been called and didn't hear it called, or came in late and did not hear it called since you came in late?
Judge,
Yes,
I think,
Nelson.
this is Hadi Khan. I'm
Mr. Khan.
speaking, yes, sir. I'm speaking on behalf of Jose Solis. I conferred with the state. Jose Solis should be on the Zoom. I think maybe he's under iPhone or something. Jose, are you there?
I'm on. I'm
Give
right
me his
here.
case number, Miss Haiti.
The case number is
No.
Page 3802, page
683802. Page 6, I think.
683 or 663?
Yes, 683-803. I'm sorry, 802, sorry.
Okay, that's on page 6. All right, and as Mr. Jose Solis showed up.
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Yes,
I
he's
see him.
muted, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Khan, did you confer?
Yes, Judge, we received an offer asking for a continuance so I can speak with my client.
Well, continuance requires a written, certified, or verified motion. So we'll say a reset.
A reset, yes, please, Judge.
All right, let's give you 28 days. That's 4 weeks.
Thank you very much.
Okay, that would be the 25th.
You got that, Mr. Khan?
Yes, Judge, I'm just checking my docket here.
October 25th, Mr. Khan, and by then we will be back in person.
Okay. I actually have a trial setting in Houston on that day. Is there any way we can do 24?
Yeah, we can.
Or actually,
That's not a problem. We're going to do 24. October 24th.
yes, Judge.
Police and Mr. Khan. You are.
Thank you.
informed. You're
We will be
excused.
there. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Take care. All right.
Excuse me,
let's see.
Judge.
Pardon me?
This is Allison Martinez. I didn't hear I think I missed my name.
Okay.
Judge, that's my client. If I could just be in a breakout room with her, I've conferred with the state, so we have an offer.
You want to give me a case number real quick?
Yes, Judge. It's 661461. I think it's on the maybe second or third page.
Page 3. 661461.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Martinez, maybe you didn't hear your name called, but your attorney said you were here, so.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
I'll make a note, que es muy embustero. All right. Mr.
I'm
Chairman,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Mr. Chaitis, how much time you want? 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Judge, if we could come back next week on Wednesday, that'd be great.
All right, recall Wednesday.
For a plea, Albert?
Yeah, I think so. I'll talk with my client right now.
Okay, on Wednesday, you said?
Uh-huh.
Okay, 10-5, okay.
That's an in-person, right?
Yes, we'll be back in person, yes.
Okay, all right,
All right.
perfect.
David McLean, talk to me.
Good morning, Judge. I had a chance to confer with Virgil on my two cases. I need a little time to speak with my clients about it. Just kind of
Give me
let
your
them.
case number so I can find it on the docket and make notations.
You bet. I'm on page 6. The first case is going to be 682091. It's about third from the top. It's going to be Albert Paul Martinez.
Right.
And the second case is.
Well, what are you doing on that? You tell me what
the state's made me an offer on that I need to discuss with my client.
2 weeks should be enough, wouldn't it?
I think so. Let me double check my docket here, see where I'm at. If we could do the 14th, does that work for the court?
Linda?
Yes, that'll be fine. On both cases?
Yeah, I think that'd be fine on both cases.
What's the other one?
The other case is Ms. Sylvia Thomas, 682567. She's fifth from the top.
Right. Same
State
page.
needs to review that file in the video, and there is quite a bit of it. But hopefully we'll be back in person. I'll bring my stick with me and we can look at it in person if we need to.
Let's reset this 45 days, Linda.
Okay.
Okay, so do
That should
45
set
on
you
that
up.
one.
Yes, that will be November 3rd.
Let me see where I'm at. November 3. Make sure I will actually be at a judicial conference on that day in Dallas.
Okay, how about November 7th?
I'm in a jury trial. I can go a little earlier. We can do like the 28th. Does that
Okay.
work?
Yeah, that works. 1028.
Perfect.
Okay.
Right.
1028. Perfect. Thank you, guys. I appreciate
You're
it.
excused. Mr. Roll.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Roll.
David and Albert, you're excused. Okay.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rolls.
Yes, Judge, thank you. I have two clients to approach for motions on. First is Colton Dilly. Case number is 676106, Judge.
Six, 7, 6.
106.
What's the other case number?
Let me pull that one up, Judge. The other one is Mr. Willie Gomez.
No, this one that you're talking about. I
Oh,
don't see it on the docket.
676106.
Are these the two off docket ones that you're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no, I'm not ready for that one.
Oh, we're not ready yet? Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
It's
Should I
all
come
right.
back in about an hour?
I'll be in a jury trial, but talk with Linda and we'll discuss it.
Absolutely.
Lee Cutter.
Yes, Judge, I've conferred with the state. We just need a hearing date for a motion to suppress, please.
And give me the case number, please.
674440.
Page 4.
Mhm.
Is that going to be for both Lee cases or just the 440?
That's a good.
Motion to suppress. Give her a date, Linda.
Lee, can
I'm sorry. Yes, well, the other one's just an unlawful carry, so it's just the DWI.
Okay, can I call you later this afternoon? So we can discuss a recent date on that?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
All righty.
Thank you.
All right. Who else needs to check in?
Mr. Bain?
Cecil Bain.
Your Honor.
Yo.
I've conferred with the district attorney. We have an offer. If I could get a short reset and have my client call me right now, I can discuss it. Maybe we can resolve it.
Okay, give me a case number, Cecil.
I'm sorry, Judge. 691074.
And that's Ruben Medrano.
Yes, Your Honor.
Gonna recall that 2 weeks?
2 weeks will be just fine, Judge.
Okay.
Can my client be instructed to call me right now, please?
You want to get in a breakout or just have him call you?
Just call me.
All right, Mr. Medrano. Ruben Medrano.
I know I saw him.
Okay, he had checked in earlier. I don't know if he decided to head for the hills, but either way.
Yes.
if-
Very good.
if
We'll
you
try
gotta
to call
me-
him also, but he's
Right.
gone to voicemail.
October 13th, Mr. Baker.
October 13th. Yes, ma'am. Maybe both be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. All right, anybody else?
I have a question, Your Honor. It's Samantha Jackson.
Yes, ma'am.
I wasn't told what to do regarding this hearing. I was unable to mute myself.
Okay,
But I am here and I've been present since the whole meeting, so I just need to know what I need to do.
okay, what's your lawyer's name?
It's Angela.
Angela Blake.
Say again?
Angela Blake.
Angela Blake. Well, you have to wait till she gets here, okay?
Yes, sir.
You stick around. I'm sorry you have to wait like that, but she's tied up in other courts. She's real busy. All right, anybody else? The court's gonna go.
I'm here, Heidi Nelson.
Hello, Heidi Nelson.
Hi. Yeah, I was just told that I needed to be on this Zoom case at 9 a.m. sharp, and I was a little late, so I'm not sure if I heard my name called.
Linda,
I'm looking, Judge.
I don't
Who's your-
recall her.
Who's your attorney, ma'am?
Feliciana Gonzalez is my probation officer. I mean, I think
No,
she's,
your attorney.
I don't believe I have an attorney.
Okay. Do you know your case number?
Unfortunately, I don't. I've been looking for it.
Okay, how about a date? of birth?
Linda, I'm sorry, Judge, I didn't mean to cut you off. Linda, she was set for yesterday, but she said she didn't have a Zoom link, so for her not to get an FTA, I told her to show up today.
Okay. Linda, give Ms. Nelson a new date.
Okay. All right. I will. Hold on tight, Miss Nelson, and I'll be right with you.
Okay.
All right. Court's gonna be in recess. I'm gonna be in the courtroom on the jury trial. Linda,
Yes.
it's all yours. There's
Thank you.
questions that have to be answered by me. Just bring me a note on the courtroom and I'll see what we need to do.
Okay, Judge.
Thank you, my lady. And all of you, thank you for being here on time. I appreciate that. Kenny, how you feeling?
I'm doing with what I got, Judge. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Like you like to say, it's better to be seen and heard than be viewed.
I hear you. All righty.
I should be back next week, though, Judge.
Are you going to take part in this jury trial?
I am not.
Okay. So we got the team that was here yesterday. Will continue.
Yes, sir.
I'll get over. Deputy Grabowski.
She had to step out for a little bit. There's another bailiff in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay.
What'd you need, Judge? What are you requesting?
Do we have the jury panel, all 30 of them, 29 of them ready?
One has been dismissed and one of them they're still trying to locate, sir.
Okay, so we got 28 out there. All right.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, Heidi Nelson.
Yep. Hi.
Hi. Okay. So I need to see if you can come into the office to apply for a court-appointed attorney, or did you want to hire an attorney?
So I'm not sure I need an attorney, and I also am in Wisconsin. So I think I've already gone through my whole case. I used to have a lawyer, and then I've been on probation, and I'm almost done with my 1 year of probation. So I think it's just
Well, there was an MTR that was filed, which is a motion to revoke. That's why.
okay. I wasn't aware of that. I thought that was from a long time.
Yeah, it's an MTR summons.
Oh, it's an MTR summons. Okay.
Yeah. But she doesn't have a warrant or nothing.
Okay. So what do you want me to do with this one? She's in Wisconsin.
I mean, she still needs an attorney by law because it's an MTR, so unless she wants to go pro se and be on her own, but the judge needs to grant her that permission.
Yeah. So are you sure that it says to revoke?
Yes, ma'am. You've been revoked.
That's not right. Can somebody? Maybe so that
in March of this year that they filed the motion to revoke. I don't know what condition you did it.
Yeah, you don't have a warrant, Miss Nelson. There's no warrant set out for you. You just have to appear to court, which you are doing it now. So,
okay, yep. Because we were trying to do that. Yeah, at least over 6 months ago. Okay.
So she would still need an attorney, right?
Hold on. Yes, sir. You need what? Okay, I'll go get it.
Maury, can I get with you in a breakout room? Please?
Yeah, can you? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
I wanted to ask you
Linda,
something.
I'll figure it out, Linda.
All right. I already made it. All right. Give us a second, Miss Nelson.
Okay.
Adrian,
Yes,
how can I help you?
I have a client today on my calendar, but he might have been reset already. It's 663460, John Burwell, and I think we were awaiting results of a competency exam.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not positive, so that's why I'm here.
No, I don't see it. So you're waiting for the psych eval?
Yes.
Do you know when it's set for that?
No, let me see what I could see. The motion was filed August 4th. It was sent to Angela's office August 8th, and then it says
Still waiting. Yeah, I see it. Do you want to do 45 days?
yes, please.
November 7th.
November 7th. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Burwell?
Yes, ma'am. Might be excused. I did hear that.
Yes, November 7th. We are back in person then.
Okay, if I may say to the court, as you know, I called you with concern that I've never heard anything from anybody with regards to any psych eval, which I performed those myself. Do we have confidence in that particular group that they're going to contact and absolutely make sure that it happens before November 7th? Are you familiar with the group, Madam Coordinator? Are you familiar with them at all? Because I had not spoken to my attorney, as you can see. And you can see apparently it has gone to them, but I have had no communication from them with any request to be present for that at all.
Well, I know.
So I'm a little concerned.
I know they're behind. I know that they have lots of cases to deal with, and that could be why. I don't know. That's why I tried pushing it out the 45 days to hopefully by then it'll be.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate your consideration with that. But yeah, I just, as I called you.
Mr. Burwell, I'm still here. You and I, it's been a long time since we spoke. We spoke in early August, but I do have your cell phone and I'll text you as soon as I have some sort of an update.
Okay, thank you so much. Because I called the court and to let you know that I was concerned I hadn't heard anything. So I've talked to the court coordinator several times, trying to see, what was needed or where I needed to be if in fact that was the case. So I appreciate that and I look forward to hearing from you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Might be excused,
yes, sir.
Madam Coordinator.
Yes, sir.
All right, you all have a good day.
You too.
Thank-
Hello, Linda.
Excuse me. I was just wondering how long I'm supposed to wait for.
I'm sorry, Heidi, is that you talking?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on. I don't know where the coordinator's at. You're gonna have to speak with her, but just 1 second.
Okay.
Not right at all. I think you wrote it down.
Hey, Robert.
Hi, Linda.
How you doing?
So is the judge coming in today?
Yeah, he's starting a trial. So,
Okay, I had, one was a conference on George Mock. We're just trying to get restitution. It was an accident in a rental car. We're just trying to make sure restitution is paid. So that I could probably get a reset. And the other one was a recall for a motion to modify filed. But if they're in trial, I guess we'll have to ask for another date.
Yeah, unless you want to come down here and try to get him when he's on break. He's just starting.
Do you think they'll be, I could, what about this afternoon? Are they gonna do evidence this afternoon?
Well, they're just starting Bodire.
Okay, then I'll just come this afternoon, like right after lunch. I mean, right before
Okay.
they start back up.
Okay, so on mock, what are we wanting to do?
He's on the phone with the rental car company to make sure that they got compensated. He had insurance. That's all we're waiting on. So maybe
Okay.
do 30 days on him.
Okay.
And then the other one, I'll come over and see if I can talk to Kenny and the judge.
Okay, 1027 on that one. I can put you in a breakout room with Kenny. Is that on Martinez?
Yeah, so dear Martinez.
Because that person did not appear for court today.
Okay, let me make sure my office, this is the one, remember, who was set on Tuesday?
Oh.
And y'all recalled me because I was supposed to be in trial and I think y'all were busy. So he may not have been informed about the recall.
It's okay, no worries. I'll take him off FTA.
Yeah, if I could confer with Kenny on that one, it'd be great.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room. Hold on. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Hey, Andrew.
Good morning.
Let's see.
David,
David, yes. What did you want to do on that one?
do we confer with the state, please?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Did you want your client to be excused?
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay. David, Vanette,
Yes, ma'am.
you're excused. Just keep in contact with your attorney, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Linda, I'm sorry. Heidi is gonna need an attorney.
All right. All righty.
I talked to Kenny.
Okay. Heidi?
Yep.
I need you to call me. Okay? I'm gonna give you my office number for you to call me, okay?
Okay, just 1 second. Okay.
210
Mhm.
335 2172.
Okay, and when should I call you?
Give me about 11:30. Call me about 11:30, okay?
Okay, and that's 210-335-2172.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes, Robert.
I gave Kenny the information. I'm gonna forward him a copy of my motion. And then if you just want to give me another date, then I'll try to get back with Kenny here in the next couple days.
Okay, so do you want the same 1027 on
That
that?
makes it easier.
Okay, we'll do that. 1027 on that one.
Bye.
Bye.
1027 or 1026?
1027.
I thought you put 1026.
No, I have 1027 on both.
What is that? What day of the week is that?
It's a Thursday.
Okay, okay. Now I can do that. I'm sorry, I had my weekends wrong.
It's okay.
All right, you have a good one, Linda.
You too. Bye-bye. Hi, David.
Hi, David.
Good morning. Bye, Robert. So if you can throw me in a room with Miss Luna, the CLO, and with one of the prosecutors on, I've got two cases. I've got Robert Dylan Fernandez and then Juan Ramon. So on Fernandez, it's an MTR.
Okay. And Fernandez, it's an MTR. Okay. And then I also have one for, okay, that's for Judge. Okay. Give me a second. I'll put you in a breakout room with the CLO.
Thanks.
Yes, I'm here.
Gotcha. I was looking for your, oh, hold on, Marty. Movie. Move to 2. All right, there you go. Mr. Sheffield, how can I help you?
Hey, good morning. I have Joseph Longoria, I believe. But
Okay.
he also has another case, a theft case, I believe,
Okay,
and I think it's set for Monday.
I'll
I was
reset them both, no worries.
Monday's going to be bad. I'm going to be in a CPS trial. It's going to be all day, so I was hoping to reset it for a couple weeks.
Yeah, I can reset both of them to another date, no worries.
Great, perfect.
What did you want to do on these 2 cases?
Just if we could go to pre-trial, I guess.
PTD?
No, pre-trial. Just a
pre-trial
pre-trial
conference.
hearing
Okay, I got you.
date.
PTC, okay. 30 days,
That'll be good.
10/27 for both?
10/27 will work.
Okay,
Thanks a lot. Appreciate
you're
it.
welcome.
Take care.
You too, bye-bye. Mr. Longoria, you are excused. Your next court date is on 10/27. It'll be in person. Hello? George Mack? Mr. Longoria or Mr. Mack, either one, please answer.
Ma'am, I am present here.
Okay,
I'm sorry, I was on that was with enterprise rental car for something associated with
oh,
work.
it's okay. Keep in contact with Mr. Mauer. I've reset you to 10/27.
Oh, roger that. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Sure,
All right. Have a great day.
you too, bye-bye. Mr. Longoria, Joseph? Joseph Longoria.
Hello? Hello?
Hey, Mr. Longoria, I'm not your attorney, but I'm another defense attorney, and we can all see you and hear you, sir. So if you just hold tight, the court will holler at you.
Okay.
Hi, Linda.
Hold on, Mr. Longoria,
Yes, ma'am.
your your case was reset to October 27th. Okay, so
Yes,
you'll need
ma'am.
to be here in the courtroom at 9 o'clock for docket call. Because we're going back to in person.
Already.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, you're excused.
Thank you.
Dante,
Yes, ma'am.
how can I help you?
I am here for Mr. Philip Alvarado, who I do
Okay.
see on screen as well.
Yes,
I already spoke to Mr. Delco in a breakout room. I believe that this is characterized as an NTR,
yes.
but really it's that restitution issue.
Mhm.
We can approach whenever His Honor is ready to hear us.
Oh, is this the
The restitution, and we had a
of the
separate
hospital
hearing.
bill?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
That's this
okay, I
one.
remember. Can we reset it since we're coming back in person?
I'm okay with that. Are you okay with that,
Okay.
Phil? Today's his birthday, and he was hoping for a good ruling from the judge. But
Judge is starting trials, so sorry.
okay.
What's good for you, Dante?
Let's see here. What's up with next week? Not Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm on the road, so Monday, Friday are great.
The 7th?
The 7th will work. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll reset you to Friday the 7th, October 7th.
You got that, Mr. Alvarado?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
In person, okay?
Sounds
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
We'll see you then, Miss Linda.
All right.
Give my
Bye-bye.
best to the judge. Tell him I'm sorry I was late.
I will. I let him know you had texted or emailed me, so no
Okay.
worries.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes.
Delco.
Yes, Marty.
Linda, what day was that reset to?
For who? Oh,
Philip.
Friday, 10/7, because we're back in person.
Okay, can you send Mr. Fernandez to the breakout room with me and
Robert Fernandez?
yes.
Okay. I will
you.
put you with you and David?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I'll put you in. Go back to 2 and I'll put him in there with you. Hi, Miss Mariano. How can I help you?
Yes, good morning, Ms. Linda. If I could confer with the state, please.
Sure. Give me 1 second. Who are you here on?
Hector Martinez Juarez.
Okay. Yes. Hold on.
Appreciate it.
Hey. I'm good. How are you, Brian?
I'm good.
Okay, Priest, what are we doing?
We were asking if we could have a reset. The state wanted to reach out or attempt to reach out to the complainant. So if we could get maybe a 30-day reset.
Okay, is 1027 good?
No, if we could have a different date.
Ooh, okay, what day?
The 25th.
Okay, we'll do the 25th.
And did you get my text on the case for next week that we talked about?
Yes, I did, and I will be resetting that. I might just go ahead and do it the same day then.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay,
So 1025 on Vanette and Scott.
yes. And
Okay.
that's what date again? I forgot.
The 25th of October.
No, the one for next week.
The one for next week.
That's on 10/3. Is that on Monday?
10/4
10/4. Okay,
on Tuesday.
all righty.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Miss Varial, what are we doing on yours?
We are going to reset it for 30 days. The state needs to review the file.
Okay, 1027.
One moment, I think that should work. 20, yes, Thursday. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do 1027, and by then we will be back in person.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Take that as judge for me.
All righty.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, I have Ms. Gutierrez, and we were gonna do a plea, but I don't think we've turned in paperwork.
Okay, it's okay. Can we reset the plea? What day is good for you? Because we're coming back in person anyway, so we can do it, like we used to.
Right, I think I'm there on the 4th, if we could do that.
Okay, 10/4.
Yes,
All right, I will set you for 10/4. Is that the only one you have?
that's the only one today, yes.
Okay, All right, then I'll reset you to 10-4 for plea.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Gutierrez is on. Can she be excused also?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, David, what are we doing?
So I need to speak to Kenny about both Robert Dylan Fernandez and Juan Ramon. But I emailed you the order to remove the Scram device on Dylan Fernandez. I'm going to speak to the prosecutor about that, and then we'll approach the judge.
Okay, judge is in trial, so.
Okay, remember how we talked about removing the GPS, and it was really the Scram, and then there was an order? Well, the probation officer is telling us that the Scram was a condition of pretrial, not probation. And so it really never should have been on him for his probation. Is that right, Ms. Luna?
Yes, that's right, Linda. So
Okay, so what's the
pretrial should have taken it off.
So I just emailed you about 5 minutes ago, the order, because there's already a second amended motion in there, but it just needed the order for the judge to sign if he's willing to sign it.
Then that's on Robert Fernandez.
Yes,
So Scram was a condition of pretrial, correct?
correct.
Yes.
So then
Linda.
all I can do, I have a motion, I have an order to remove Scram. I
Okay,
can
so
get the judge to sign it. No more.
perfect. That would be great. And then
Let me
as
write
far
that.
as his MTR, I just need to confer with the state and see if they're in agreement with Ms. Luna and myself.
Okay, so let me write that down. Order to remove Scram. Okay, let me put you in a breakout room.
Thanks.
Go back to 2, David, and Kenny, can you go and confer with him in 2, please?
Can you throw Ms. Luna in there real quick, just because he may want to hear from her?
Okay. Marty, can you go back to 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's see, Jesse Trevino. Who's your attorney, Mr. Trevino?
Frank Sandoval.
Okay, let me just reset you. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna reset you 30 days. By then, we will be back in person,
Okay.
October the 27th.
Do I get a contact with him? I mean, I've never met the guy. I talked over the phone with him, and that's about it.
Okay, so do you have a phone number for him?
Yes, I do.
Okay, just try contacting him that way, or if you want, you can try to email him. I don't know if you have his email
Okay.
address or not.
No, I don't.
I don't.
I'll get a hold of him.
Okay, if you can't, call me, call the office and ask for me, and I'll see about getting you the email address.
Okay, and what's the date again? I'm sorry.
October 27th.
The 27th of October. Okay.
Yes. Okay, and back in
thank you.
person, so be in the courtroom by 9 for docket.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sure, you're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Juan Ramon.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, you're with David. Okay, just hold tight. You two are with David. All right, hold tight. Yes. Andrew?
Linda, I'm sorry, on the Scott case we reset
The one for today? Okay.
from Tuesday.
Oh, okay. What's the case number?
Find it for you. The case number is 675-797.
Okay,
It was no lab, no file, so I don't know if 3 weeks would be enough time. I just realized.
let me look. Hold on. I haven't even worked on this one yet. Hold on. 679, 6757.
So I was seeing if maybe we could set it November 16th. I'm in your court as well.
No worries. Yeah, that sounds good. It's a reset, no file, November the 16th.
Yes, I'm here on another DWI that had no file. So
Okay, we'll do it the 16th.
sounds good. Thank you. Have
You're welcome.
a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye. This is Linda. Gabriel Huerta,
Yes,
do you have your, do you know your case number?
no, I don't. I can grab it.
Do you know your SID number?
Um, I got it here, my. Yes. I got I think the case number is 673981. Believe that's it.
Okay, that was for yesterday. Hold on. Okay, got you. 673. Okay, Jeannie Cupid is your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm guessing you failed to appear yesterday?
Yeah, I talked to her. She said to go and Zoom, go to today. It's just
Okay.
because I didn't, I wasn't able to pay my phone yesterday.
Okay, I'll get
So
with her to reset your case. Give me a second. Hold on.
Okay. I was texting her like not even a couple minutes ago. So,
Okay, give me a second.
okay.
Okay, David, what are we doing on yours?
Okay, so on Robert Dylan Fernandez, I've talked to Kenny. He's agreed with Miss Luna to withdraw the motion to revoke. And we probably would kill his probation and term it unsat, but for it being a DWI, you can't. So he's on probation until April of next year. And also his Smart Start will be coming off October, was it 23rd, Robert?
I believe it was the
The
21st.
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 So I think we're done with Mr. Fernandez. If you make sure the judge.
Yeah, I'll get him
removes
to
that
do
scram.
the scram. Yeah, I'll get that for you. No
Right,
worries.
and Kenny will either sign the motion to withdraw today or tomorrow. He's
I already
dealing with.
sent it.
Okay,
Awesome.
so we're just gonna continue on probation, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
uh-huh.
thank you. And what are we doing on Juan Ramon?
So can Mr. Fernandez be excused?
Yes.
All right, good job. Robert, you take care. We'll talk later.
All right, thank you.
So on Mr. Ramon, I spoke to Kenny about that. He's recommending we reset it for 30 days, and he's going to get me a probably a sweeter offer than what was offered previously.
Okay, October 27th, we're back in person.
10/27 in person. Can you throw me into a room with Mr. Ramon?
Sure, hold on.
And then are we excused after that?
Yes, go back to, I'll put you in a different room. Hold on.
Thanks so much, Linda.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Huerta,
Yes.
go ahead and log off. Miss Cupid, we'll call you, okay? Hold on, let me get, where are you? Give me a phone number, Mr. Huerta.
It's 830.
Okay, hold on. 830
243
243
3399.
3399.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have an email address, Mr. Huerta?
Yes,
What is that?
it's G Huerta 23@gmail.com.
Okay, she's gonna come by and I'm gonna reset the case, so she will call you, okay?
So let me know the dates.
Yeah, so you're excused for now. She'll call you and let you know what your reset date is, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Hold on. Mr. Ramon? Juan Ramon? Mr. Huerta, you can log off.
Okay.
Mr. Ramon?
Linda, what happened to the first page? It's on Angel Camacho Trejo. Oh, you're on mute.
He FTA'd.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Miss Vidal,
Are you in are y'all gonna be there tomorrow? Or are you gonna be in court tomorrow?
well, I'll be here. It's the last day for Zoom. So I mean, I'll be here. I don't know if we'll still be in trial. I have a feeling we'll be in trial, but I'm not too
Is
sure.
tomorrow better
For what?
for what I was gonna do today?
Yeah, that's fine if you want it.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's
Is Katie
fine.
gonna be there?
Yeah, because if we're in trial, oh, no, she's not gonna be here.
Yeah.
She has a funeral, I think.
Okay, well, I'd just rather do it when everybody's there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll talk to you later about that.
Okay, that one. All right, bye-bye. Miss Vidal. I know Brian came by here and he was gonna talk to the prosecutors. So let me reset you to November 1st. Hello, Lori? Did you hear me? I can't hear you. Okay, I can't hear you, but if you can hear me, I'm resetting you to November 1st.
Okay, I got that.
Okay, keep in contact with Mr. O'Donnell. I don't know what happened. He said he was gonna log on to talk to the prosecutors, but if anything changes, do you have good contact with Mr. O'Donnell?
Yes, ma'am, I do have his number.
Okay, keep in contact with him just in case the date changes, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay. And like I've told other people, and I'm sure you've heard me, we will be back in person, so you'll need to be here in the courtroom for docket call that day at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Juan Ramon, bye-bye. Mr. Ramon,
Hello.
hi, your case has been reset to 10/27.
Okay.
Okay, 9 o'clock, be here in person in the courtroom.
Okay. They invited me to a room, but the room doesn't work.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I was in the room, but he never showed up, so.
Okay, all right, hold on. I'm gonna move you to another room. Hold on. All right.
Hey, Juan, are you at 3387 or 3487?
Well, 3487 what?
Phone number.
Oh, I have a new phone number. The
What is
email's the email's still the same though. But let me get it's 210-365 let me get the last 4 digits real quick. 3678.
All right. I just wanted to talk to you so we can just leave and I'll give you a call at 365-3678.
Okay, that'll be fine.
I'll call you right now. Bye. You can leave the meeting.
Okay, bye-bye.
Marty, is Linda still here? Hello, hello.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hey, Angela.
Morning.
Scott, we're gonna set him for a, can we reset his plea? Judges,
Yeah. Oh, he's a trial. Okay. So, yeah, but is he's the one that's out of town, and if we can do it as plea on Zoom, yeah. But I'm fine with that. I don't care.
Whatever his name is.
Scott Sheeper.
Yeah, him. Let's just call him Scott.
Mr. Scott. He goes by one name.
It's such an easier,
just Scott
to pronounce. Can we do how about 10? Ten 13.
10-13.
Yeah, and resend me the stuff on Zoom, right?
Yeah,
I'll let them know too. It'll be about one-ish or so, but I'll send this link for you guys.
Okay. Let me Scout.
Defendant resides where?
Somewhere not here.
Yeah. Resides
somewhere not here.
Not here.
Somewhere in the universe.
Somewhere, but you know.
Just not in Bear County.
Just don't make me sing somewhere out there. Somewhere.
And
Yes.
Barbara Rivas, She FTA'd.
She's been texting me all morning from different phone numbers. I'm on here. I can only see the judge. Can he hear me? I'm like, whatever. I don't know.
So what do you want me to do with her?
Just reset it, because since we're going to be in person, I'll make sure she knows she has to show up in live and in person.
Okay, so reset.
Let me see what day I'm there already.
Yeah, tell me what day.
How about how's October 19th? Or yeah, October 19th.
That's fine. I won't be here, but okay.
Oh, you're going to New York?
That's when I'll be in New York. I won't be back till the 24th.
Ooh la la. Very nice.
Linda, did you say she was an FTA? Is it okay to mark her present? I guess we
Yeah.
can take her word and say she
Yeah,
was.
I'm fine
Yeah.
with that.
Thank you. And then I've also got Samantha Jackson.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God, she was a train wreck.
Oh,
What
We
happened?
kept on
Tell me
having
more.
to. We kept on having to mute her. Like she kept on interrupting the judge, and Linda kept on muting her, or Grabowski. Somebody was muting her consistently, and she kept on unmuting herself.
I'm here. Yeah, we heard you already.
I don't know if I heard my name. I don't know what, and she kept on, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. My attorney's not here. And they're like, just please
Wait.
be patient. She'll be here. She's in other courts. And then she did it again 5 minutes later. And I'm like, okay.
So 1019?
Yeah, if we can do that. Now she lives, I know where she lives. She lives in Dallas.
Okay, so when you come, just let Judge know that, because then more than likely you can ask him, if we do reach an agreement and stuff, can we do her probation, her plea on Zoom if it comes down to that.
Okay. And then I guess if I can just talk to Kenny right now about her, then I can probably, because she wants to plea,
It's
but
just
I'll explain
us.
what's going on.
It's just us if you want to do it. It
Yeah, the judge is
Okay.
not here. Yeah.
Okay.
he's like,
So
we'll
she's a
remove
victim
her.
of sex trafficking.
David Luna.
David Lunan, she said, yes, I'll talk to him. We set up a deal, a time, a Zoom. She backed out and she refuses to talk to him. Although he's like, try to see if she can do it. She's also a victim of domestic violence up there in Dallas area. Are you taping this?